Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color and icon of your reminders list on your iPhone. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to open up your reminders on your phone, of course. I'm just going to search it up here and I'm going to select reminders. As you can see, I don't have any new reminders or lists, but you're just going to go back to everything here. And then on the bottom, instead of clicking on new reminder, you're going to obviously go to the add list. Then you are going to type in your list name. I'm just going to type in my, groceries, for instance, all right? And then you're going to scroll down to change the color of your list. So I want my groceries to be green. If you scroll down even more, you'll be able to see a lot of the things that you can use for like the symbol of your list. For instance, mine is groceries, so I'm just going to either select this one or the other one. I think I'm going to select the trolley one, and then I'm going to press done. Then you'll be able to see your list here, and you can add in a reminder of your groceries and what to buy. You can also do it for other things. So add list, I'm going to name it homework, which I don't have anymore, but I'm going to color it red because it's important. And then for this one, I'm going to use this icon. Press done. Then I'm going to add another list. I'll type birthdays on it. And then I'm going to color it this super cute color. And then I'm going to select this cute icon and press done. And then I'm going to add another list here. What should I make it to? Let's see. Maybe running or diet plan or something like that. Gonna make it this purple color, and then you're going to just press done. There's a lot of colors and emojis you can add, symbols for your reminders list icon. So there's bookmark, there's a key, there's a present, there's a birthday cake, graduation cap, a bag. I don't know what this is, either height or thermometer, paper, like a document, a book. I think this is a wallet, a card, money, weights, running, utensils for maybe food, a glass, medicine, I don't know what this is called, I forgot, I'm sorry, a chair, a house, an apartment maybe, I don't know, a tent, I don't know what that's called, a TV, music, computer, I guess, games, headphones, sleeve, carrot, and these people, a paw print, a bear, a fish. Maybe you need to feed your goldfish. Trolley, cart, bag, etc. There's endless of options you can choose from for your list. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Hopefully you're able to change the icon and color. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.